So you see here the order block was respected here.
Yes, yes.
See, the order block was respected. Why? Because you can see also there are some areas where we see imbalances. Like here, we see an imbalance here. Is it? You see this area here?
Yes.
That is an imbalance.
It was felt.
Is it?
Yes.
Also, you see a very strong momentum to the downside. You see this strong momentum, strong move to the downside.
Yeah.
There are a lot of red
Yeah.
candles here. Is it?
Yes.
That's
Yes.
the second thing. Is it? The third thing is a break of structure or a change of character. Is it?
Yes, that's
Now
true.
you see this movement. This point here was broken. This level, is it? This level was broken.
Yeah.
Also, even this level here. This level also was
Yeah, this one was also.
okay. Do you hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, so I think you have seen here, we had this strong movement to the downside with a very great momentum. And then we had this area where we had a fair value gap here, an imbalance here. Okay.
Yeah.
We can also see a break of market structure too. The first one was this break of market structure. You see again, this level was also blocking. This
Yes.
level also was
Yes.
blocking. Is it?
Yes.
Now you see all of the rules or the criteria for us to draw an order block have been met. Is it?
Yes.
Yeah, so you see the market respected here and then moved to the downside. You see this movement?
Yeah. There's also an order block. There's a gray, like a gray candle on the right side. Can it be an order block?
Here, here.
No, no, no. Down, down, down.
Down.
Right, to the right. Yeah, to the right.
The right. Here.
Yeah, yes, yes. Yeah, this
Yeah,
one.
this one,
can be
this
an
one.
order block, right?
Yeah, I was trying to go to this level. I was trying to first show this, then I can show you this. As you remember, I said this is also an order block. If you try to put like this, you see, it becomes a green candle. So this is our order block. So now in higher time frame, we see we are in a downtrend. We see the market is moving to the downside. And you see here, we have this liquidity zones here.
Liquidity, yes.
Liquidity is here. See. So we are now very sure that the market will go down. Is it?
Yes.
So now we go to lower time frame. We move from daily, we go to what? 4-hour time frame. Is it?
Yes.
Go to 4 hour. 4 hour is like that. You can see that's 4 hour. See, that's 4 hour. That's 4 hour time frame. So in 4 hour, you can see we have this. We saw the reaction in these areas, how the market respected these areas, and you see inside in this 4 hour time frame, you see there are areas of liquidities. You see like this.
Yeah.
Those are areas of liquidity inside our 4 hour time frame. That's why you see the market went up and swept its liquidities. Okay.
Yes.
So now we can see after a retracement to our order block, which was a daily order block. Now we are in a 4 hour time frame. Now we have to see where do we draw another order block for us. We have to look in this area here. Try to find our order block in this area. Is it? Okay.
Yes, true.
And as you can see here, if you look well here, you see we had this green candle. You see this green one?
Yeah. Yeah.
And then there was a little break of market structure here. This level here. See there?
Yes. Yes.
Because you see the green candle went up, and then we had this red candle down, and then we had this movement to the upside, and then we have the movement to the downside. Is it?
Yes. Sure.
Now, if you wanted, you could have found an order block in this area here. Or this order block. See?
Yes, which is the green one, yeah. It's expected and then it went again.
Yeah, now the market then went down and caused what? Caused this break of market structure also here. You see?
Yeah.
Also, it's an area where we see liquidity also here. You see a break of market structure, but also you see liquidity, which was swept here.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes. Yes. So, yes.
Yeah. So here we are continuing to sell until when we see the market respecting this order block here.
Yeah.
So we are expecting to continue selling until when we see maybe the market reaching here, reaching to this lower order block, which is a bullish order block. Then we can expect the market to go higher. Okay.
Yeah.
So now we are waiting whether the market will touch here or whether the market will come to this. You see, this is our order block also. This is our order block now we are waiting for the market to respect.
Yes.
As you can see, all the criteria have been met. You see, we have this area where we have a fair value gap here. This is a gap, fair value gap there. Okay.
Yeah.
And also you see a very strong movement to the downside, which caused the break of market structure here. See here.
Yes.
Yeah, it blocked this lower level, the lowest level that we had. Now we see this is a break of market structure. Now we see a very strong momentum to the downside. Also a fair value gap. Now we can draw this as our order block, as our bearish order block, waiting for the market to touch here, and then we can continue selling. Okay.
Yes. Understand.
That's how we can analyze in 4 hours. So let's try to go to lower time frame and see we can find opportunities here in this circled area here. How we can find opportunities for us to sell. Okay.
Okay, I understand.
Yeah, so that we may see how can we continue from how can we just try to analyze from daily to 4 hour to 30 minutes to 15 to 5. Okay.
Yes.
Let's go to 30 minutes. 30 minutes now. Okay. That's our 30 minutes. Okay.
Yes,
let's look in this area here. I said in this circled area. Okay.
Yes.
We try to remove this other drawing so that we may analyze it well. Now, you see this area here. After our order block, this was I think this was our daily order block. Is it the blue one?
Yes.
So now we are in 30 minutes trying to look for opportunities after our order block. Our daily order block has been mitigated, has been touched. Now we are trying to see where can we find opportunities for us to sell in 30 minutes time frame. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So remember what we usually have to see. We usually have to see we have to see what we call either a break of market structure or a change of character. Is it?
Yes.
The first thing. Then we have to see a strong movement to the downside, and also sometimes we have to look for areas of imbalances. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
But imbalances cannot be found every time, every day. Okay.
Exactly. Yeah.
So let's take now we have to look where do we see either a change of character. You see the market after reaching here, this level. Okay.
Yes.
After reaching here, the market started to go down. Is it?
Yes.
And then it came to this level here, this lower level. Is it?
Yes.
And then went up. Then went up with these two green candles, and then went down with a very strong momentum. Okay.
Yes.
What do we see here? We see this is a break of market structure because this was a lower level that was created here, the lowest level that was created, and then the market went up with these two green candles. Okay.
Yes.
You get my point?
Yes, sir. Yes. I do.
Yeah. So after we see this movement to the upside here, then we see this strong movement to the downside that caused the break of this level. This lower level was broken with a very strong momentum. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Now we see a strong momentum to the downside. That caused what? A break of market
break of
structure. Let's say a change of character here because we were in an uptrend, then a downtrend. Okay.
Yes.
Then we expected the market to continue going up, is it?
Yeah, yeah.
But the market decided to break this level down. Now this tells us this is a change of character. We are expecting now to see selling opportunities. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So now you can see here we have a strong movement to the downside that caused a change of character. Okay.
Yes. After that change of character, it retraced and then it went down again.
Yeah. So you see here also we have this is an imbalance area also. There is an imbalance here. This movement that broke structure to the downside, there is an imbalance. Now you see an imbalance, and there at the top you see what we call an order block. You see an order block here, this last green candle before this movement to the downside.
Yeah, do I take this one order block, or do I take the one before?
This one.
The gray one or the white one? Yeah, the white one before.
This white one we don't see here. You don't see here any break of market structure.
Okay.
In this one, because it is like a continuation. Let me try to, it is like a continuation of the uptrend because this is a green. Let me,
yeah.
You see, it is like the movement was up. You see this green candles movement to the upside. So
Yes,
we must see a break of market structure or a change of character so that we may say this is an order block. Okay.
Okay, yeah, understood.
Yeah, that's how we can find an order block. But similarly, this green candle we are saying an order block, it is also can be used as an order block.
Oh, yeah.
When you have a lot of experience, I think now you are ready to do that, because when you want to see a change of character, you have to see a reversal, is it?
Yes, exactly.
A reversal. Now you see we are in an uptrend. Now immediately we see a downtrend, is it?
Yeah.
Now this tells us now we were in an uptrend. Now we see candles moving to the downside. Now it means this is a change of character. Okay.
Yes.
And then so you can use this as your order block. This white one here. You can use this as your order block.
Okay.
Can use it as your order block, but this is more, we say this is more aggressive. It's not a confirmation entry. It's not a very, very good entry. Okay.
Yes.
Because this is just an initial movement. We don't know if it was truly going down or it was just trying to go down a little bit and continue going up. Okay.
Yeah.
That's why I said this is our order block. This one was our right order block, because this shows us down. The market went down and created this point, this low point here, but then went up and then broke down. Now you see, this gives us more confirmation that this is a downtrend. Okay. So now we expect this order block to be respected. That's why I say this one is a very risky order block. You can use this if you have more and more experience, that you know what you are doing exactly. But if you want to be more, what we say, conservative, there are aggressive traders and conservative traders. Okay.
Yeah.
The aggressive one usually take the trade when it is very risky, and you see it is not such a very good point for you to either buy or sell, but then they trade that point. Okay. Do you hear me? Hello?
Can you?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, now I can hear you. Can you repeat what you said, sir?
Okay. I think network. Now you see, as I told you here, for aggressive traders, they can enter in that order block, this white one. Okay, they can use this as their order block.
Yeah.
But for us, we have to be very careful and try to use this one, because this has given us more confirmation. We see a movement to the downside with a very great momentum that broke this level and caused a clear change of character. Now we see a clear change of character here. Okay. So we draw this as our order block, and then we focus this higher level as our point where we put our stop loss above this level here. See this level, sir, for more safety. Okay.
Yeah.
That's why you see the market broke a little bit to the upside here. There are some wicks here that moved above this order block. Okay.
Yes, and our stop loss will be till the bottom of the line.
Our stop loss will be above this level.
Sorry,
Our TP here, our take profit,
will be,
this lowest point that
it
the
will be
market
TP.
reached.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, that's where we put
Understood.
our TP. If you decide to sell here, like that, put it here. And your TP there. Okay.
Yes, yes, understood.
So when you start to trade, don't look for more higher risk to reward ratios. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Focus more on being right. Just make sure even if you get 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 is enough for you when you are trying to start trading. Okay.
Yeah, of course,
Yeah, as you gain more experience, you can start saying maybe now I can put my TP even here, down here. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, as you get more experience, now you know, I know the behavior of this pair because each pair have its different behavior. Okay.
Yes, yes, understood.
Yeah. So now you see we have the first entry here. Okay.
Yes.
That's our first entry, but also you can find another entry. You see, after this point that has been created here, the market went going down, you see, and broke this level again.
Yes, that means there's a new order block, which is this green one, the one before the red.
Here, this big one. You see this big green one.
Oh, is it this part, or is it the one after?
There. Which one? Just try to show me which one.
Yeah, can you allow me to?
Okay. Let me try to. Let me give you permission.
Yeah, please.
Okay.
You can press on the like.
You see how I'm trying to. Is this the area?
Sorry, sir.
Do you see my area here?
I can see the mouse moving. Yeah, now I can see the mouse moving. Can you, sir, can you see the part that it broke the structure in it? Can you see the candle that broke the structure of the bottom line?
From the bottom, our lock meeting. Oh,
sorry. Wait, sir. Oh yeah, I gave you the request. Okay. Oh, okay.
That's okay,
yeah,
right?
I meant this part, sir.
Okay, try. Just show me now. Can you show me?
Yeah. This candle, like I meant.
Which one?
This one.
Yes. Yeah. Of course.
Yeah, I don't know why it's lagging.
Just click. Then just click there. Then you can extend from the middle here. Here you can just extend like this. Yeah.
But
this one, right?
This order block collector. Yeah.
This is the best order block, the very, very best. I didn't think you could see this one. So this one is the best one. Okay.
Perfect.
The very, very best order block. The very best order block. This one. And
the reason I chose this one, it's because after the break of structure that it caused.
After the break of structure?
Yes, that it caused, right? That's why I chose this order block.
Yeah, because it caused this break of structure. You see this one.
Yes, exactly. And there's also a small imbalance between the candles.
This one. This one.
It's a very small one.
This.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, this one.
Yeah, there is that. There is also this one here. See, those are imbalances, is it?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, so that was a very, 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 very good order block.
Perfect.
Yeah, somebody could have entered maybe here. It differs with how you see the market. Okay.
Yeah.
Another person would have said, I see this movement to the downside, that's caused the break of market. Said, I'm waiting for a retracement here. And you see the market returned back here. And now somebody can sell right here. Okay. It is okay. Yeah, it is okay. It depends on how you see the market.
Yeah, I always extend the order block. I always extend it so I can see if it's gonna like get respected again or no.
You always?
I always extend the like I mean I always extend it to make it long. The order block I make it long.
Yeah, today I don't hear you that much well. I don't know where you are today. Oh, it's me and my network.
Sorry.
I think, oh, it is me and my network here because I don't hear you that much. I don't hear you. Your sound is somehow far. I don't hear it well.
Wait, can you hear me like this? Can you hear me properly like this?
Yeah.
Like this is good? Perfect?
Yeah, it's perfect. So you said you usually draw the order block?
Yeah, I usually like make it wide. Yeah, exactly. To see if it's like if it's gonna retouch again or something.
Yeah, you have to make it wide so that you can see maybe how the price reacts. You see, like here, this was a very nice reaction. This one.
Yeah.
This was the best reaction. This one. Okay.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, for this one, somebody could have used this one. Those who usually try to see even that small retracement. You see, it's a very, very small retracement. Okay.
Yeah.
Only a few people can see this. So you have to, you have to just wait for the market to show you this kind of retracement.
Okay, so I have a question also. Like for this green candle, like this one.
Wait a little bit.
Oh shit, sorry.
I was trying to draw here. Trying to draw liquidity. Now you show me which one?
Yeah, this green candle that touched the order block this week.
Yeah, that green candle.
Yeah, if I see it live, like if I see the market or the candle live after it touches, can I sell at this part or do I have to wait for the next candle?
You just have to wait after the close of that candle.
Okay, so I have to, yeah, okay. So after it closes,
and for more safety, you have to see again the creation of this. You see, you have to see this. So now you see now sellers are entering the market. You have to see again this red candle.
Yeah.
So sometimes people, you have to wait maybe when this red candle reaches, when it is at the middle here, you can enter. Okay.
Yeah.
Some people usually wait maybe like here, that level. Okay.
Yeah.
Some people usually use that, but most of my entry I usually use this because I believe my order block is strong enough. So I wait once that candle has closed, this green candle has closed. Okay.
Yes.
When I see a creation of a new order block, then I enter there because I usually know now my order block is strong enough. I see imbalance. I see a very strong movement to the downside. I see a break of market structure. So I'm sure that the market will go down. Okay.
Yes.
And I focus on this lowest point, this one.
Yeah, exactly.
That's why I put my take profit. Yeah, there we are okay, right?
It's perfect.
Yeah, that's how we can try to analyze the market. So you can, someone can also go to more and more lower time frames, trying to see opportunities. Maybe if you want to go to 15, you can go to 15 and you will see a lot more, very much, a lot of opportunities.
Okay,
If
understood,
we
sir.
try to go to maybe 15 minutes, you can also see a lot of entries in these areas here.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Okay,
I
so
think those, you say?
sorry, sir. When I trade, yeah. Well, when I like when I open a trade, do you recommend like I open one with a high lot, or like I open a few trades with a small lot?
When you, I didn't get you. When you
When I open a trade,
open a trade, yes.
yeah, if there's like a trade opportunity, do you recommend to use like for a small amount, like if my amount is $100, do you recommend to use like a big lot when I enter a trade, or like I open like few trades but with a small lot?
In the kind of candles to use, or what? I think
No, I mean, sir, like I see an opportunity to trade, right?
when you change,
No, sir, like I'm saying, if I saw an opportunity to trade, when I
yes.
trade, when I take the order and trade, do I trade in a large lot or in a small lot?
Or it depends with your with your balance. You have to look at, we have to check how your balance. If you have maybe your balance maybe $100 or above, or it depends with your capital. Okay.
Yeah, if it's $100, do you recommend to use like a big lot, or like to open
it is much
like
better.
many trades but in a small lot?
You have to, if you have $100, okay,
Yeah.
just try to open only a single trade. Okay, just press a single trade. Okay, a single order. Just maybe if I want to sell, maybe you saw an opportunity like here, maybe say you saw an opportunity somewhere like here, maybe.
Yeah.
Like here. Like I can see this order block. Like here, okay.
Yes.
If you sell, just enter a single trade, press a single order. Just if you want to sell, just sell a single order. Don't press too many because your capital is not that much big. Because $100, you have to make sure you protect your capital. The first thing to do, you have to make sure that you are safe. You are not over trading. Okay.
Okay.
So for $100 capital or balance, just open a single trade. And also a lot size, just make sure you have I think that it is 0.01.
Yeah, 0.01. Yeah.
Up to 0.02. If you are very much sure that you can maybe that is okay for you.
Okay.
Okay. But don't have a lot size which is greater than this ones. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and also one thing you should know is that just make sure you are able to risk what you can afford to lose. Okay.
Of course, yeah. Exactly.
Yeah, make sure you are where you place your stop loss. You know that here I'm going to lose maybe $10. Okay.
Yeah.
So are you okay to lose $10? If you are okay, then you can place your order in the trade. Okay.
Yeah.
But if you're not okay with losing that amount of capital, maybe $10, maybe you want to lose $5, and you see that now, what I see that my stop loss must be here. For example, your stop loss must be here for you to be safe in this area. Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
So if you see this area is going to make you lose $10, okay. And you know and you know that you cannot afford to lose $10. You are not ready to lose $10. Then don't force to put your stop loss here. Don't force to make sure you lose 5. Don't force to put your stop loss here. Okay.
Yeah. Understood you, sir.
Just leave that trade. Because if you force to put your stop loss and make in this area so that you may lose $5, you may find that the market will sweep you will take out your stop loss. Maybe the market will move to this level. You just go there, where you have placed your stop loss. To go there, take out, and then it continue going down. So you have to be very, very careful. Make sure you follow your rules. If you know your stop loss has to be outside of this week, place it there. And if you know you are not ready to lose that amount of money, don't press an order, don't trade. Okay.
Understood.
Because you don't know whether the market will be right, will follow what you have traded, or will just go against you. So you have to be very careful.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Yeah, that's more important for you to know. So make sure you are capable. You know what you are going to lose. You know how much you are going to lose, and make sure you are ready to lose that amount of money. You should be ready, because trading forex is risky. You have to take a risk. You have to be ready to take a risk that I'm ready to lose this amount of money in order to gain a certain amount of money. Okay.
Of course, true.
Yeah, so you should know that you are risking $10 to get $20. That's okay, but don't risk $10 to get $5.
Yeah.
That's not a business. You have to make sure what you are going to be rewarded is greater than what you are going to lose.
Yes, exactly. Yes.
Yeah, make sure it is, maybe it is 1:2 ratio, 1:2, or 1:1.5. Okay.
Yeah.
Make sure you have that.
Understood.
Yeah, I think time is ending here, and I think we are 45 minutes. 45 minutes ending. If you have any question, just ask me now.
No, sir. No.
You don't have any question?
No. For now, everything is clear.
Are you getting my, now you are understanding, or it's just you don't have any question?
No. I understand. Yeah. Of course, I understand.
Yeah. So as long as we do this practice, as long as I show you how we analyze, as long as also you get the time to analyze yourself, you see how I analyze, you see the liquidities, you see the imbalances, this becomes more easy for you to trade on your own. Okay.
Exactly.
So try to do those practices, try to analyze when you get time. Just make sure you use your time well when you get the time you get a free time, so that you may have a good practice on Forex, because Forex requires time, requires commitment, requires consistency. You have to do it every time, so that it may stick on your mind. Okay.
Okay, that's true, sir. Okay.
Yeah. You should not say, now I understand, let me rest for 1 week.
No, of course, yeah, exactly. I always practice every day, and I always check the market.
Yeah, that's will be
I always analyze.
That is much more great. So make sure when you are analyzing the market, you make sure when you see any challenge, just screenshot that earlier, send it to me, so that I may also analyze. If I see it is something that requires us to make a Zoom meeting, I can ask you, then we can have a Zoom meeting. I can show you well, so that you may see where we made a mistake, maybe where we could have done more well. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, please, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you for your help.
Yeah, so I hope today's session was also fantastic. I hope it was good for you. I have added something on your mind.
Yes, sir, you did. It was
Yeah,
good, and it was explained well. And just I wanted to ask you, sir, is there
yes.
an extra books or something that I could read?
Oh, extra
that
book.
could benefit me? Yeah, do you
Yeah,
have
I have. Let me try
something?
to check and send you I'll give you a lot of books. Let me try to check them and then send them to you.
Yeah, please, so I get benefited and practice more.
What?
So I mean, yeah, please send it to me so I can get benefited and practice more.
Yeah, I will send them to you. I'll make sure you have a lot of them, so that you may have a lot of practice and try to see different, because different mentors, different ebooks have different, some areas where they can try to, you can say, oh, here I didn't know about this, now I know about this. Okay.
Yeah.
You'll get some additional knowledges from those different ebooks.
Yeah, please, sir. Thank you so much.
So don't worry, I'll send them to you. Let me try to put them, to check them, and then I'll send them to you. Yeah.
And tomorrow, is there a session or?
Tomorrow, I think tomorrow is Tuesday.
Yeah.
If I think we should, you should get some time. We should use tomorrow as your personal. You should be free trying to analyze, trying to send them to me, trying to send your analysis. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, I agree. Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, and then I'll give you, after sending these ebooks, you can also use that time as a time for you to read those books and try to check where are you getting confused. Okay.
Perfect, sir.
So
And
that,
and I promise
yes.
for tomorrow I will send the money directly tomorrow. Inshallah.
Okay, no worry, no worry, no worry. Just I believe you, I believe you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
okay, no problem, no problem. I will send you the ebooks and
Have a
then you
great
can
night.
try to read them, and then tomorrow, if there is any challenge, you can try to send them to me and try to show I didn't understand here and here and here. Okay.
Perfect.
So that
Perfect. Thank you so much.
the day after tomorrow we can have another meeting trying to make everything clear. Okay.
Yeah, that would be perfect. That would be perfect. Thank you so much.
Okay, no problem, no problem.
Thank you. Have a great night.
Okay, have a great day. You can just you can just leave the meeting. I think do you still have the control of this chat?
Sorry, sir?
Yeah, okay. I was trying to touch somewhere,
Yeah.
but it was difficult for me.